A whole shop on one skid. Man, that's a lot of bolts. This future steel building has been a long process. However, it's definitely going to be worth it in the end. Long days, a few borrowed hands, and we're almost ready to start moving things in. But first, let's let the concrete cure for the next month before we pull our 1974 Winnebago in for winter. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you like this video. Follow us along on our vintage RV makeover and Alberta Adventure Family vlogs.
Going now, boys. We're lining her up. We have a 75% road ban, so if I'm correct, I think we need about 4 cement trucks. Yeah. I want. A little bit more. Lean ground beef, $9.50 Canadian. What's it like where you guys are at? Let us know in the comments below if that is pretty comparable or if that's expensive to where you live. Alright guys, so that's my sloppy joes. Let it simmer and then we'll throw it on some toast or some buns and some cheese melted on top, and that's some good old sloppy joes. Good, the white's coming out, that's a good sign.
Yeah.
Got all the cut lines done. Just cleaning up the floor so we could bring the scaffolding back in, cleaning up all the mess from when they cut. Gotta finish taping all this off and finish our drywall there. And up there, a little bit of insulation there. And then we could do some mudding and taping and paint her up. And then eventually we could build our loft going up and our staircase for storage. It'll be really terrific to have a finished shop and be able to finally say we're done it and get stuff in. Get this bad boy back in there.
Look at that. Who knew you could help so much? Good job. Woohoo! Good job.
Uh-oh.
Well, I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button and follow us along on our vintage RV makeover series. And now that we got everything taped and sealed in for winter, we can hopefully make some progress. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.